Hello everybody, my name is Eliana Dominguez and welcome to this new video. Thanks dear teacher for accepting to be interviewed. The current interview is about space exploration, advantages and disadvantages. Can we start?
Yeah, sure.
Okay, first question. Should governments prioritize spending on the exploration of space and why?
I think that there are some governments that have enough money for funding the exploration in the space, but there are also governments that don't have enough money for funding this kind of stuff, and they have to emphasize more on their people and their needs in their country.
Okay. Second question. Exploration. Is space an important frontier for human exploration inspiration?
Yes, indeed, there are very things that we don't know in the space. So it's very important for us to research and look further, so we can understand many things that we don't know and we don't even think about it because we haven't traveled enough for knowing this stuff.
Science. Does space exploration benefit science, human understanding?
Yes, as I said before, there are many things that we don't know and we should research, and space is a very big, deep and extends, I don't know how to say it, matter that we don't understand, like the dark matter, how the stars are born, the complex process about the Big Bang, that there are many theories and we are not sure 100% of on these theories, and we should understand more and investigate. Yeah.
Okay. Second question. Sorry for the question. Funding. Should space exploration be publicly funded?
There are some pros and cons in this question, because as I said before, in the first question, the governments who have enough money for their people and can invest in this stuff, or have to make groups like the International Space Station that is confirmed by many countries. I think that there are 7 countries that are involved in this station. So they fund from the money of the 7 countries, and they have enough money for these researches. But there are countries like China that they are funding their only space station, and I think that there are more things in their country that have to be resolved than funding this kind of stuff.
Okay. Planet. Does the human race need to be able to move to another planet?
If there is the possibility and some planet that can allow life to be developed, I think it's a good option for the future. But in the present, we have many trouble in the climate change and with warfare. So there are some theories that an asteroid could kill all the civilization, and we should look for more planets to live. That is a very we don't know how the planet's physics, the planet's biology are working, so we don't know exactly how the planets are if we are not there. So we could investigate more for this possibility.
If we can live in another planet.
Yes.
Okay. Mars. Are missions to Mars important worth funding?
Yes, I think that we should be able to well, we already reached Mars, but we'll only with robots, and I think that it's a cheaper investment to go with robots than with persons, because the persons have many things that they have to look after. So they need to eat, they need to stay healthy, and it is more expensive to maintain a human being in Mars than a robot. So also the robots are able to take information that can be analyzed in computers, and it's, in my opinion, cheaper and better so the robots
than a human.
Than humans.
Okay. International relations. Is sending human to space good for international relations?
International relations, I think there are not so many issues on this, because as an example, the International Space Station, it's confirmed by many countries that their objective is to explore, to observe things in the space, but they are not fighting against each other. So it's very important. More the research than the country, the nationalism in that kind of things. But if they are like in the Cold War, that they were United States against Russia, there was more like an national benefit, national propaganda for the people who are funding this, and for the interest of that people.
Okay. Taxpayers. Should opponents of space exploration still be required to contribute?
I think that if the countries are able to fund this with taxes, it's not very good for the people who are not interested in exploring space, because there are millionaires like Elon Musk, that he is funding his own space station, and he has the money for it, and it's not the people's money. So I think that there has, if countries can invest a little of their money, but not a large part of the taxes.
Okay. And finally, tell some of the disadvantages you perceive from space exploration.
Some of the disadvantages that we require a lot of money, a lot of technology that has to be developed within decades, not even years, and it's very important that people are encouraged for studying these careers like engineering, astronauts, and that all of the careers that requires for space exploration. And the most important disadvantage that I think is the money, because in the universities in the USA, the studies are paid, so they have to make loans for paying their studies. But at the end, the benefit is for everyone, for the community of scientists. So it's very important for the research, the development, not research, for the knowledge of all the space stuff.
Yeah, I am totally agree with you. And thank you, dear teacher, for this afternoon. And thank you, everybody, for watching this video. And I see you later.